Heavy showers over past few days result in widespread damage and destruction in the state. A 65-year-old woman crushed to death after a huge boulder comes crashing down on her house in Vasco. Luckily, her son, sleeping in the same room, escapes with minor injuries. In a case of jailer's neglect, a rape convict escapes from Kulwari jail, putting scanner on Lex supervision, influence speedily. Hello everyone, I am Leena and now the news in detail. Heavy showers that lashed the state over the past many days has caused widespread damage and destruction. Trees have fallen and damaged the overhead electricity wires. Paroda in Kepe Taluka seems to have borne the brunt of the rain fury. A canal has breached and a road has caved in this village. Cultivations in Kankon Taluka too suffered damage.
In Paroda, a canal breached and water started flowing onto the road. This also resulted in a road caving in. The canal supplies water from Salauli Dam to Verna and Vasco. The canal is running open on the surface for some stretch, but later the water is supplied through pipe.
कोणा खबर ना पार्टी बुडलो म्हणून जेन्ना सकाळी उठले तेन्ना कळ्ळें पार्टी बुडली म्हणून हो आमगे घरात तो आयलो आनी म्हाका सांगपालो दीपक कॅनल मोडलो म्हणून हांव मुद्दम पळोवपा आयलो हांगा पळोवपा आयलो जाल्यार आख्खे रस्ते आयले सांग गोंग्यांनी उदक वतालें आनी दोग जाण इरिगेशनाची येयी कोणा एकट्या फोन मारलो म्हजो नंबर आसा तो म्हणपालो बाबरे म्हणपा आपूण रिटायर जाला तूं आनी कोणाकय सांग म्हणपालो अशें जालां तुमी मातशें सांगा म्हणटा म्हाका पुलिसीन जालें आमी सांगता वचून तूं हें घेनाका आमी पळयता सांगता म्हणून उदक बंद करून मागीर मिलिंदा फोन मारलो मिलिंदान कोणाक फोन मारलो मागीर तो आग्नेल होतो आमगे PWD हांगा ड्रायव्हर ताणें आपल्याला थंय वळखीन कोणाक फोन मारले आनी उदक बंद करपा लायलें. सो हें सगळें प्रॉब्लेम जातलें जें उदक हें जाल्यार बेगीन रिपेर करना जाल्यार आनी तें रिपेर उदक सोड आमगे मेन रस्तो आतां न्यू बांदलोलो पयरूं हॉटमीस जाल्लो वरस जाल्लो तो डॅमेज जाला. सो हांव पर्सनली फॉलो अप करतें आनी ऑलरेडी हांव इंजिनियराक उलयलां आनी जाता तितलो तो मेन कॅनल जो रिपेर करपा एक्चुली थंय गाडी वचना सो म्हाजें पयस पडटें हँडलोड आसा थिंगा सो तें काम हांवें बेगीन करपाक हांव उलयलां आनी रस्त्याचें हांवें PWD सांगिलां. हांव सगळ्यां पयलीं थँक्स दितां आमगे रमेश बाबाक रमेश रावत नायक आमगे 365 रिपोर्टर कित्याक आमगेलो एक डेप्युटी सरपंच अमोल्यालो जिजस तो कार घेवन लोकांक सांगिल्लो आसतना पासून तो उदकांतल्यान क्रॉस करून ताका कितें अर्जंट काम आसलो खंय तो वचपा वयतालो आनी तो थिंगा बुडपा लागलो. आमगे तो रिपोर्टर रमेशान म्हळ्यार तेणें आपल्या कॅमेरा पासून परवा करुना आनी कोण जाल्यार फूल शुटींग घेताले पूण तेणें तें शुटींग तशी बंद करून आपल्यालें थंय कोणाक चेडवाक तो हें दिवन ताका वचोवपाक तो गेलो आनी मागीर तेजे फाटल्यान जायत आमगे गांवचे लोक येयले आनी ताका सेफ केलो. हें काल तुमी चयलां आसतलें हांव पयलीं सुद्दां ते बाब रमेशाक आमगे रिपोर्टर गोवा 365 आनी आमगे गांवचे लोकांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
In Kunkoli, the gusty winds brought down a tree that landed on overhead electricity wires. People in the area were plunged in darkness till the workers repaired the line. Plantations in Kankona Taluka have suffered immense damage due to heavy showers over the past few days. Particularly affected were banana plantations and areca cultivations. Coconut saplings too have suffered damage.
लोकांक खुबशे लोकांक म्हागे घरांतले लोक आनी वाड्यावयले लोक ते आमी अशें सांजेवेले बसले ना उलयताले कितें 2009 जो पूर येयलो पळय तेचे परस हो चड आसलेलो उदक चड आसलेलें कित्याक म्हळ्यार कंटिन्युअस पावस आनी जें लोकांलें लुकसाण जालां पळय तें त्या 2009 पुरा परस चड जाला. आमगे जे शेत आहा पळय शेतांतल्या मदल्यान वयल्यान उदक गेलें शेतां कणसां पोना दोन वयल्यान उदक गेलें.
आनी कितें शेतां बरोबर आनी कितें उशेल बिशेल आनी कितें बाकीचें नुकसाण कितें जालां?
हय आमगे वाड्यार खूब जाणांचे कणगाली आनीक जे माडा सावळ घातली पळय ती सगळी गेला उडून. हय बऱ्याच लोकांल्यो हे शेता धडे जे आसले पळय न्हंयच्या धडे शेतां लागून ते धडे आसले पळय लोकांनी थोडे बांदल्यो पळय फातर घालून आनी कितें करून त्यो सुद्दां त्यो कोसळून गेल्या सारक्यो. कांय हे ना तेजेर कन्स्ट्रक्शन केलें तें कांय ना.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Paroda. And
incessant rains over the past few days in the state has resulted in many landslides at various places. One such incident at Vade in Vasco resulted in a tragedy. A 65-year-old woman was killed after a huge boulder came crashing down on her house on late Monday night. However, 35-year-old son of the deceased, who was also sleeping in the same room, escaped with minor injuries.
The deceased woman is identified as Anita Borkar. Neighbors said that falling of boulders is a regular incident and that a similar incident had occurred in September last year. Neighbors said that they had demanded construction of a retaining wall, but the authorities concerned have not heeded their requests. MMC chairperson Nandadeep Raut, who is also the councillor of the ward, said that the work of a retaining wall is pending as NOC of the land owner is awaited.
पहिले इन्सिडेंट जाला 3-4 वर्सां कंटिन्यू इन्सिडेंट एक जाता ल्हान ल्हान सो आमी सगळे लेटर्स केले सगळे ऑथॉरिटी कंप्लेनूय दिले विथ रिगार्ड टू दीस पूण आयज सुद्दां आमचे सेफ्टी आमचे हें जावना सो काल बसले कडेन आमकां हें फेस करपा पडलें एक आमची बायल आमची नेबर एक्सपायर जाली सो आमी कितें मागता ऑथॉरिटी एटलीस्ट तुमी आमकां सेफ्टी प्रोवायड करा एटलीस्ट रिटेनिंग वॉल नाजाल्यार कितें पूण हिंगा सेफ्टी आमकां हें करा मेन आसा आमी सगळे ऑथॉरिटी ऑलरेडी लेटर्स दिल्ले आसा सगळे कंप्लेंट्स फायल केल्ले आसा ईच एंड एवरीथींग आमी दिल्लें आसा आनी आमी CPकूय सांगलां की आमकां बाबा सेफ्टी मातशें हें कर म्हणून इन्स्पेक्शन केलें म्हणून जायना एटलीस्ट तुमी कितें बरें कितें करा हांगा एटलीस्ट आनी मुखार कोणाची लायफ हें जावंक जायना लॉस जावंक जायना
फॉलोअप करतालो तेणें PWDन सांगलें डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंटाचें तेणें ती एक दिगी लागून दवरलेली हेजी कित्याची आयनाची बेश्टे सेफ्टी कशी ती एक लावन आहा म्हणून आमी दुसरी घरां सेफ जाल्या नाजाल्यार कितें डिजास्टर जाल्यार खबर आमची अख्खी फॅमिली भितर न्हिदलेली आशिल्ली गव्हर्मेंट कितें आहा 5 वर्सां जाल्या कांय एक्शन घेवपाक कोणाचें ना करता फकत प्रोसिजर करता म्हणटा ते
लास्ट टायम सुद्दां सेम इन्सिडंट जाल्लो घडलो असोच धाकटो फातर वयल्यान पडलो आनी हे फावट चड मोठो पडल्या कारणान तो घराक पडलो आनी घर काबार जालें तें घर कांय उरलेलें ना ती गरीब कुटुंब आसा हांव मागता गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन एक तर ती हांवें लास्ट टायम सुद्दां डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक रिक्वेस्ट केल्ली की ती एक रिटेनिंग वॉल जावची म्हणून आनी इवन आमच्या आमदाराक हांवें सांगलेलें आनी आमदारान म्हाका दिसता प्रपोजल ऑलरेडी मांडलेलो आसा थंयसर आनी खंय तरी NOC ओनर NOC खातीर थंय खंय तरी उरलेलें आसा हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन की एवरी इयर जाता म्हाका दिसता हो म्हाजो 5th इयर एज अ कावन्सिलर त्या वॉर्डान हांव आसा म्हाका दिसता 4 वर्सां सदींच कंटिन्यूस हे अशें लँडस्लायड जाल्लेली आसा हेजे फुडें जावची न्हू आनी असो कोणाचो जीव वयचो न्हू तेका लागून गव्हर्मेंटान म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी रिटेनिंग वॉल थंय काड.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Vasco.
8 deaths reported in Goa on Tuesday, taking the toll to 368. The coronavirus situation is going haywire in Goa, with people and opposition up in arms over lack of COVID management. Is it possible that our own Health Minister Vishwajit Rane is admitting that the GMC is not able to handle the pressure? GMC's 227-bed COVID ward is full and there is no solution to it, Vishwajit Rane admitted on Tuesday.
Health Minister Vishwajit Rane convened a meeting with Chief Minister Pramod Sawant on capping the rates of private hospital. Rane said the rates are further revised in a bid to cap rates for treatment of COVID-19 in private hospitals. He also admitted that there are no beds in the GMC, but an additional 200 beds will be purchased in the South Goa District Hospital, taking the total capacity to 300. If required, the bed capacity will be increased to 500.
227 बेड्स आयजचे दिसा फुल अवेलेबल एक बी ना सध्या उपाय काय ना गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान 113चो वॉर्ड आयज सांजेच्यान कमिशन जातलो फॉर आयसोलेशन फॉर पेशंट्स त्याच बरोबर 115 चालू जातलो म्हणजे आनी एक 61 बेड आमकां गावंक शकता पूण आनी हेजे फुडें आमी वचूं शकना गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान पोंडा इज फूल एज वी स्पीक गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज इज फूल एज वी स्पीक people have a lot of faith in the health system in our hospitals. Yes, there were issues initially. As the number spikes up, we have got various other challenges. We are also seeing how we are able to regulate the oxygen supply. There are several issues. It's not one day. I don't think I've slept a single day. Chief Minister also, I phone him up as late as about 12:30 in the night. The reason is that there is constant communication between us to see that we are able to provide the best treatment to the people and patients. Family relatives call up from London, somebody calls up from US, some child is working somewhere on the ship, he says my father he has to be given a bed. So we are dealing with all these situations. Nobody understands what we are going through. So further we have revised the rates of and put capping on private hospitals and included more. Rate पेक्षा चड medication and other बाकीचे गोष्टी आम्ही include करपाक लायले. Automatically it will be beneficial to the patient.
Social activist Rama Kankonkar requested the government to act before COVID situation gets worse.
That's assuming that my cases go from 500 to 1000 can be possible, but to for 1000 पावले उपरांत चिंतप ना. 1000 पावच्या पयलीं आयज आमी स्टॅटिस्टिक्स प्रॉपर्ली हें करून चिंतून ती आमी अवेलेबिलिटी करून दवरप म्हणल्यार इनडायरेक्टली केसीस वाडल्या उपरांत आमी कोवीड सेंटर सेटअप करून फायदो ना. कोवीड सेंटर पयलींच सेटअप करून रेडी दवरपाचो आसता. सो हाच्या भितर जे डिले जाता पळय, वी आर सीइंग द सिच्युएशन, देन एक्टिंग. वी नीड टू अज्यूम what can happen, what worst can happen, and then we need to take the decisions prior to whatever is happening. That is not happening according to the government.
Fire and Emergency Services Department sanitized the Kursare market as part of the fight against COVID.
We had given a letter in the month of July to the municipality to sanitize the market because the COVID cases were growing like nobody's business. Now, with the support of the Jai Hanuman Association, the society from the market and some individuals who were after me to get the market sanitized, we took the case forward. Later on, the Congress bloc also gave a letter for sanitization, and together with the help of the people, we approached the chairperson, and the chairperson agreed. And today we are seeing the day of the light that the sanitizing is being done. Now the thing is that we had gone for the sanitization only because the COVID cases were growing. Now some people are saying in the rainy season sanitization is not advisable. But what I say is sanitization has also got its limit. It might be valid this thing for 1 month. Later on, if need be, we can do the sanitization again. Also the people in the market had stopped coming. To create a awareness among the people about the market is sanitized, it is safe to come down to the market. We have done this and we have actually entire market is cleared.
The first COVID hospital, ESI hospital, is also facing the problem of traffic. The vehicles parked on both sides of the road opposite ESI hospital has led to traffic congestion in hospital area, leading to hardships toward patients visiting the area.
पुलिस येताले आनी आपल्यागे क्रेन घेवन येताले आनी ते दोनूय वटान ट्रॅफिक जाता गोवा पॅलेस कडेन आनी आमगे बाडो फार्मासी कडेन तेंगे शॉप ओनर आहाय ते भितर पार्क करपाचो आहा भायर पार्क कोताय गाडयो रोडार आनी मागीर आमी चलय तेंक पासून ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट जाता आनी आतां पावस पडटा वायपर मान तरी आमी गाडयो चलयल्यो त्यो दोनूय वटान गाडी आमकां रोड ब्लॉक जाता आनी तेंगे ते सायड मिरर आहाय ते समज आडवले जाल्यार मागीर ते झगडीं करूं येताय. हांव पुलिसांक उपकार मागता तेम पयलीं क्रेन घेना जाल्यार ते भाशेन क्रेन घेवन येवपाचें आनी तांकां चालन मारपाचें तेन्ना त्यो गाडयो रोडाचेर धरपा बंद जातल्यो.
म्हणजे जे त्रास खूब जाता तर तुमकां
भरपूर त्रास जाता तेन्ना भोवकन पावसान दोनूय वटान ते ट्रॅफिक आमकां रोड मागीर नॅरो जाता कित्याक इन बिटवीन डिवायडर आहा आनी दोनूय सायडीन रोडार पार्क केलें म्हणटकीर आनी ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट जाता न्हू. सो मातशें पुलिसान ट्रॅफिक पुलिसान नजर मारची आनी ते क्लियर करचें आनी तांकां चालन दिवचें तेन्ना ते जागे येतले आनी मागीर गाडी आपल्याक कंपाउंडार पार्क करतले. दोन गाडी केशव पास तुमकां शकता दोन गाडी केशव दोनूय सायडीन पार्क करा. हांवें पीआय की सांगिल्लें एकूच सायडीन पार्क करा आमकां कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना पूण रोड मागीर फ्री सोडा म्हणून.
सकाळी बी आमकां एक कॉल आयिल्लो की थंय रश जाता आनी ट्रॅफिक जाम जाता म्हणून हांवें म्हाजो स्टाफ धाडलेलो आसा थंय टू रेग्युलेट. तशें फाल्यांच्यान बी म्हाजो तो स्टाफ वयतलो थंय.
दोन्ही सायडीच्यान पार्किंग करता आनी तुमी कितें एक्शन बी घेवपा आसा.
सो चडशे ते पेशंटाचे रिलेटिव्स आहा सो कोणी आमी जाता तितले ट्राय करतले की ट्रॅफिक जाम जावचें न्हू आनी तशेंच कितें गरज पडले जाल्यार चॅलेंजींग करतले.
Amarcharya, Prahar Savardekar, Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Panji, Kursare and Margaon.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The Kolwari jail is once again in the center of the controversy. Now a rape convict has escaped from the jail on Tuesday. The same convict had earlier escaped from Margaon court. This is the latest in a series of incidents in Kolwari jail showing the utter laxity of the authorities and no action taken by the government.
Inmate Ramchandra Yellappa is the accused of raping British national at Kankona, a case that had raised a hue and cry in 2018. He was arrested by Goa police in Hyderabad in the rape case. When he was presented before Margaon court for rape case hearing in 2019, he escaped from the clutches of police from court's toilet window. View This incident is not new in Kolwale jail. Many incidents happened in past. Continuously last several months has surely brought bad name to Kolwale jail. Speaking to Goa 365 on these incidents, IG Prison Gurudas Pilarnekar had said inmates will be brought under reforms and jail guards will be trained. An inquiry by the police was also sought, but looks like this is yet to see light of the day. Here are the series of events. A video notorious history sheeter along with other inmates fearlessly moving inside the Kolwale jail and openly threatening a Nigerian inmates on August 9. And under trial, Himraj Bharadwaj, arrested by Pernem police in NDPS Act, escaped Kolwale prison on August 26. A jail guard, Rama Kurgaonkar, smuggling ganja weighing 50 grams concealed in his shoes in Kolwale jail on September 13. Ramchandra Yallappa, convicted for raping a British national, escapes from Kolwale jail on September 22. Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365.
Have you seen wastewater in market? Also people standing in the water to purchase items? If not, visit the Vasco market. You will experience it. Traders organization have now finally lost their cool. Municipalities just come to collect SOPO, they allege, and complain that all they want is money. Here's more.
Watch the condition of fruits and vegetable market in Vasco. The nearby gutter has been choked up and the wastewater has accumulated all over. People walk in the market in such condition to do shopping and go home, cursing the authorities. Robberies are also taking place in absence of street lights. There is no drinking water facility and no toilet. No sign of Swachh Bharat as such. Watch.
गटार सारखे ना सगळीकडे चौथीर गटार हा सगळी चौकाप हा बंद हा आणि उदक सगळे भायर सरता त्याका लागून आमी म्युनिसिपालिटीक विनंती करता की गेल्या वर्सान आमी लेटर दिल्ल्या 3 लेटर केल्ल्या पण तेचेर कांय धाड करूंक ना. स्पेशल एक रिपोर्ट दिवपाक आतां आमी हे प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट केले आमी. ताका लागून सांगता गटाराचे खूब प्रॉब्लम हा. लोकांक चलपाक येयना हांगा आनी शॉप दुकानदार आहा पळय तांकां पण त्रास जाता. आनी दुसरी गोष्ट स्ट्रीट लायट ना आनी काळोख पडटा हांगा. काळोख पडल्या उपरांत पयर एक 8 दीस जाले चोरी जाली हांगा शॉपार. अशें गेल्या वर्सान अशीच चोरी जाल्ली. तेन्ना पण आमी लेटर केल्ले, पोलीस स्टेशनाक कंप्लेंट केल्ले, पेट्रोलिंगाक आमकां कोणी धाडा म्हणून. ते कांयच करूंक ना. पण आमचें मार्केट कित्याक दिसपाक कशें दिसता मार्केट खबर आहे. म्हाका दिसता वास्को मार्केट आहा पळय भाजी झोपडपट्टी आहा. उदक ना पिवपाक हांगा. दुकानदाराक उदक ना पिवपाक. आनी चवथी कितें आहा टॉयलेट पण ना हांगा. लोक भायले कितले आहा हांगा भायले आनी कस्टमर येता तांकां अर्जंट कितें येयले खंय वयताले ते. कितले फाटी 1 वर्स जालें 3 लेटर केल्लो आमी. कितें आसा लेटर परतून सांगपाक आमकां बेजाना. बेश्टे येता पयशे मागता सोपो मागता घेता वयता. म्युनिसिपालिटी कितें पयशे जाय फक्त काम करपाक जायना हांगा.
गटर लायट नळाक आमकां पाणी ना पिवपाक नळाचे. जशें संडास ना. एक कोणाचे जर संडास जालो संडासाक थंय भायर वयचें पडटा. लोकांक खूब त्रास जाता संडासा खातीर. तेन्ना म्युनिसिपालिटीन एक संडास बांदचो आनी आमकां एक देवळा कडेन आमच्या एक नळ घालून दिवचो.
Traders blame Mormugaon Municipal Council, but the chairperson blames trader, calling them mannerless.
दुर्लक्ष कशें केल्लें. आतां म्हाका सांगून दिसता की हांव आतां वेजिटेबल मार्केट हें शिस्त पाळटलो आनी वास्कोकारांक कन्विनियंट कशें करून दाखयतलो की ते एक्सटेंशन करचें. लोकांक स्कूटर व्हरपाक मेळना, चलोन वचपाक मेळना, पार्किंग सारकें ना. ही सुद्दां सुविधा खंय तरी आमी तेंच्या नजरेन हाडून लोकांक हेल्प करपाक जाय. ही सगळी शिस्त सुरळीत करतलो जाल्यार खंय तरी मार्केट वेंडर्सान आमकां हेल्प करपाक जाय. आनी हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता की तेंच्यांनी एक्सटेंशन करचें न्हू. हे 2 दिसां भितर हांव चीफ ऑफिसराक घेवन इन्स्पेक्शन करतलो.
Virumale for Goa 365 from Vasco.
In a tragic incident, a pharmacy in Sakri was gutted in fire on Tuesday early morning. Fire officials said the fire could have started due to short circuit.
When Goa 365 contacted the fire officials from Bichuli, they said the fire could be due to short circuit. The fire officials received a call in the morning. The fire began burning at around 3:30. However, by the time they reached at the spot, the pharmacy was completely gutted. Listen in.
सकाळी 5 बिचोली फायर स्टेशनाचेर कॉल आयले की दौलत फार्मास साखळे अपोजिट राधाकृष्ण टेम्पल ह्या फार्मासीक उजो पेटलो म्हणून. सो आमी इमिडिएटली गाडी टर्नआउट केली. टर्नआउट करून जेन्ना पावले तेन्ना पयली की उजो व्हडलो पेट्टालो. सो आमी दुसरी गाडी आपयली आनी 2 गाडयो यूज करून आमी उजो पेट्टालो तो कंप्लीट एक्सटिंग्विश केल्लो आसा. लॉस तेजे अजून आमकां कितें कळोना की बरें सामान जे आसले फार्मासीस ते सगळे तेजे जळाले आसा. कॉज ऑफ फायर आमी कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंटाक लेटरां करतली.
Mahesh Govekar for Goa 365 from Bicholi.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. India has set a new record not in coronavirus cases but in patient recoveries. More than 1 lakh patients recovered in last 24 hours, the highest for any other country. India has also seen a decline in COVID-19 cases for the second day in a row.
A single day jump of 75,083 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In last 24 hours, 1,053 deaths were reported and 1,01,468 patients have recovered. India has reported 55,62,663 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and the active cases have crossed 9.75 lakh mark. 88,935 deaths were reported and 44,97,867 patients have recovered. Here are 5 worst coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 12.24 lakh infected patients, followed by Andhra Pradesh with 6.31 lakh, Tamil Nadu with 5.47 lakh, Karnataka with 5.26 lakh and UP with 3.58 lakh. Almost 3 lakh cases were reported worldwide in a single day. Global cases have reached 3.14 crore. 9.69 lakh deaths were reported and 2.31 crore have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 67.03 lakh cases, followed by India 55.62 lakh cases, Brazil 45.28 lakh cases, Russia 11.09 lakh cases and Peru with 7.62 lakh cases. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
One part of a house in Giri near National Highway 17 was damaged after a truck rammed into it on Tuesday morning. The truck driver and conductor have been arrested by the police. No casualties were reported. Here's more.
Speaking to Goa 365, house owner Shashivanti Naik said that the incident occurred on Tuesday at 8 in the morning. Luckily, there were no casualties reported. After the truck dashed into the house, the driver and co-driver fled from the site. However, the locals caught them and handed them over to the police. Listen in.
सकाळी 8 बाहेर सरलो आम्ही जाल्यार मागीर घरान गेलो आनी घरानसून येता म्हणसर हांगासर फास्ट गाडी येयली आनी पाळले टायम करून आनी ते ड्रायव्हर पळाले ड्रायव्हर आनी सिलिंडर पळयलो आनी मागीर ताका धरून हाडले तेंच्यांनी मागीर आमी पुलिसांक फोन केलो पुलीस येयले आनी कितें बरयले कागदूच काडले आनी ते गेले पुलिसांनी तांकां घेवन गेले.
कितें कितें नुकसान
घरान आमच्या सामान आसा सगळं टीव्ही आहा आयदनां आहा काय काय भरलेलं आहा सामान भितर.
Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365 in Giri.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log in website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa 365 TV and subscribe our YouTube channel Goa 365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa 365.